The art of quantifying. Unraveling. Several, a few, and a couple of. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into a fascinating aspect of English, quantifiers. Specifically, we'll focus on several, a few, and a couple of. These words might seem simple, but they carry a significant role in the way we express quantity in English. Quantifiers are words or phrases we use before a noun to express a quantity. The ones we're discussing today, several, a few, and a couple of, are used when we're talking about an indefinite, small number. Several generally means more than two but not many. It's used with countable nouns. For example, I have read several books on this topic. A few also means a small number, maybe a bit less than several. It too is used with countable nouns. For example, I have a few apples. A couple of is used to express two or sometimes a bit more. For instance, I need a couple of days to finish this assignment. Now that we understand what these quantifiers mean, let's put our knowledge to the test with some multiple choice questions. I will read out a sentence with a blank, and you have to choose the correct quantifier from the options given. Let's start with an example. I have, blank, oranges. Your options are several, a few, and a couple of. The correct answer could be any of these, depending on how many oranges you're imagining. Remember, this is more about the relative quantity each word suggests. In this section, we will review the answers to our practice questions and understand the reasoning behind each one. Remember, in many situations, more than one answer can be correct, as it's about what feels most appropriate in the context. For example, if you chose several for the sentence, I have, blank, oranges, you're imagining you have more than two but not a vast number. If you chose a few, you're thinking of a small number, likely less than several. And if you chose a couple of, you're imagining having around 2 oranges. And that brings us to the end of our session today on quantifiers. Great job, everyone! It's small, detailed lessons like these that add up to make a big difference in our command of the English language. Keep practicing, and soon, choosing the right quantifier will become second nature. Remember, the more you read and use these words, the more intuitive their usage will become. Happy learning! See you in our next video where we continue our exciting journey through the English language.